In this video I will show you how to add blur effect in Instagram story. We start on our Instagram profile page, and the first step to add a blur effect to our Instagram story is to go to the bottom of this page, and among all these icons that appear, we press on the home icon. Now that we are on the Instagram main homepage, we have to go to the top of it where our Instagram profile image is located, and we tap there. Now that we are on the add to a story page, we have to select the camera icon. This is very important for the blur effect to work properly. After that, in this other page, we are going to go to the bottom where all the effects are located. Now we have to keep dragging to the left, and we have to keep dragging more and more and more until we reach this icon, the search icon. And now we have to keep pressed on it. As you can see, this other panel appears, and here at the top of this panel, we have to go to the left where the search icon is located, and we tap on it. Now in the search effects, we can search for the blur or for the blur face effect, the one we want, in my case the blur. Now from the results, we select the one we want, in my case the dark blur, and as you can see with my camera, the blur effect is automatically applied.